Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompra with an update on Indian weather. Heavy rain and snow over Uttarakhand next week. There's a chain of western disturbances moving across the mountainous states during this week. The weather systems, though, were mild to moderate in intensity. All the hilly states have been snow deficit in January. For the state of Uttarakhand, the deficit was as large as 80%, but marginally recovered during this week. However, the state continues to have a deficit of 77% between 1st Jan to 16th January 2025. There is a hope of some recovery in the next week. A western disturbance is approaching the western Himalayas tomorrow. However, the state of Uttarakhand will be less affected by this system. Close on heels, there is another western disturbance arriving on 21st Jan and staying put till 23rd Jan. This weather system looks promising for the state for a fair amount of rain and snow on 2 days. The western disturbance will also have an induced cyclonic circulation over plains. The two together will complement each other, and the rain activity in the plains and snowfall in the hills will be fairly widespread. The circulation will stay close to Delhi and Haryana on 22nd January and move further to western Uttar Pradesh and foothills the next day. The state of Uttarakhand is likely to have heavy rain and snowfall on these 2 days. Kumaon hills of the state will be more vulnerable to heavy weather activity. The low and mild reaches of the state will be at risk of having inclement weather conditions. Weather activity will be fairly widespread in Garhwal hills also. In Kumaon division, Pithoragarh, Bageshwar and Champawat may receive intense weather activity with hailstorms at a few places. In Garhwal region, Rudraprayag, Tehri Garhwal, Uttarkashi and Kedarnath will bear the risk of hailstorms and snowfall. While the upcoming spell may recover the shortfall of rains to some extent, it may become troublesome for commuters of the state on these 2 days. Caution needs to be exercised even after, as the mountains keep responding to bad weather in the wake of harsh spells. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.